Great morning, traders. It's almost 9 o'clock. Getting ready for my setup. Alright, so it's 9 o'clock. We are going to mark this bottom wick. Change that to green, put it for support. Then we're gonna make another one. Doesn't have to be perfect, but want to get it close. Alright, we're gonna hop back over to the 5-minute. Looks like we're going down. Go to the limit. We're gonna go for a sell. We're going short. ATR 17.58. So we should get at least 10. Should be good for at least 10.
Order filled.
Expecting it to come take out this low right here. And you see our target is right at the top of that support level that we drew from the 4-hour.
Order filled.
And that's that. Did my rounds. Now I'm shutting it down. Done trading for the day.